Hello everyone, I'm Adam. In this video, I'm going to present Gold Vector, a high-probability breakout strategy specifically developed for gold trading on the MetaTrader 5 platform. When evaluating a trading robot, stability is the most important factor. This is why I test Gold Vector across 6 different brokers simultaneously to prove that the strategy delivers consistent results regardless of the broker's individual technology or market conditions. Let's look at the live performance. As you can see on my FX book, the transparency of these results is paramount. We currently have live accounts running with 6 different brokers, and the growth is solid across the board. Our BlackBull account has reached 84% profit. XM Ultra Low is at 75%. Vantage stands at 58%. Ultima Markets is at 50%. Blueberry at 30%. And our newest account with Exness has already started its growth at 5%. While the percentages vary due to different spreads and start dates, the upward trajectory is consistent on every single account. Gold Vector is a pure breakout scalper. It does not use risky methods like grid or martingale. The EA places pending orders at key price levels during the most active market sessions. One of its most advanced features is how it handles execution. To protect your capital, the EA automatically readjusts the stop loss and take profit levels immediately after the position opens. This ensures that any slippage occurring during the fill is corrected, maintaining your precise risk-to-reward ratio, even in volatile markets. The EA is designed to be fully automated and user-friendly. It features automatic lot sizing, which calculates the correct position size based on your chosen risk percentage. To ensure maximum safety, it includes a news filter to pause trading during high-impact economic events, a spread filter to prevent entries when market costs are too high, and drawdown protection to limit daily or total equity risk. Additionally, the Auto GMT function detects your broker's server time automatically, making the setup process exceptionally easy. Gold Vector is a professional-grade tool for those seeking a transparent, safe, and proven solution for the gold market. You can find all further technical details, the full setup guide, in the links to our live signals on the product page. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all successful trading.